Good morning and welcome to another recipe this Sunday. Today we're going to be making a seeded banana bread loaf. It's not your regular banana bread, it's actually a bread loaf that's super tasty with some butter and some jam. So let's make it. First of all, start by using your ripe banana. Your banana has to be ripe. Mash them together with some egg yolks and keep the egg whites on the side because we're going to be using them later on. Once everything is mixed, don't worry if my mix is too yellow. For some reason my yolks were very bright yellow. Add your brown sugar and your yogurt and give it a mix. Once everything is mixed, add your chopped apricot. If you don't have apricot, you can use raisins or any dry fruits that you like, it doesn't matter. Add you some seeds and give it all a mix. Now here I'm using two types of flour. I'm using a wholemeal plain flour and some self-raising flour and some baking powder. Mix it all together and then sieve it until smooth. You have to sieve it, otherwise your bread loaf will have a lot of crumbs. Mix it all together and then sprinkle tiny bit of salt for some seasoning and some cinnamon. That's all the seasoning that you require. Mix everything. Now I'm not going to use a mixer, I'm going to do it by hand. Keep whisking the egg white until they're fluffy, as you can see on the screen, and then add it on top. And all you need to do now is just fold it lightly until it's all mixed up together. And don't worry if the screen is going too quick. This recipe is actually on my website and the link is in my bio, so go click and check it out right now. Add it in a tin loaf and then spread it up evenly and then sprinkle some more of the seeds. I have here some pumpkin seed and some sunflower. You can use any other seeds if you like, and bake it until it's ready. Let it cool for 20 minutes and then serve it. It can last in your fridge for up to a week. Enjoy.